Hi friends, welcome to today's class. In this video, we will see the lesson number 10, Time and Work. Every year, you can expect at least 1 to 2 questions from this topic. Most of the time, by reading the question related to time and work, we will leave them by thinking it is a difficult question. It may look difficult, but in reality, it is not. Considering the importance of this topic, we will solve some examples first and then we will solve previous year questions related to time and work. If you go through the previous year questions of time and work, we can divide them into three. First, questions will be related to workers' efficiency, time taken to complete the work, etc. Second, questions will be related to wages of persons involved in a particular work. Third, pipes and cisterns. Among these three, most of the time questions were asked from this topic, and only one time they have asked questions from wages and pipes and cisterns. I am talking about the previous year questions from 2011 to 2023. To solve questions related to time and work, we need to remember some basic formula. First, work done is equal to time taken into rate of work. We can say rate of work as efficiency or productivity. So if I am telling efficiency or productivity while solving the question, don't just confuse. I will be talking about rate of work. So rate of work, efficiency or productivity is equal to 1 by time taken. To find the time taken, the formula is 1 by rate of work. If a piece of work is done in X days, then the work done in 1 day is equal to 1 by X. So to find the work done in 1 day, you have to just use 1 by X. Rate of work and time are inversely proportional. For example, let us take efficiency. Efficiency and time. If person A is more efficient, then surely the time taken by him to complete a work will be reduced. Suppose if the person B is less efficient, surely he will take more time to complete the same work. So do you understand what is meant by inversely proportional? If this increases, this will reduce. If it is decreasing, this will increase. So rate of work and time will always be inversely proportional. If X is to Y is the ratio of number of men required to complete a piece of work, then the ratio of time taken by them to complete the work will be Y is to X. So remember this formula. We will use them while solving the examples and the previous year questions. Right? Now let us see some examples. Example 1. A can do a work in 20 days. B can do it in 30 days. How long will they take to do the work together? So from the question, we know A can complete the work in 20 days. B can do the same work in 30 days. So we need to find how long will they take to do the work together. So to find that, we need to take LCM of 20 and 30. So 20 and 30 LCM, taking LCM. The LCM is 60. So together they can do 60 works. So the efficiency of A, so this is the symbol of efficiency. Efficiency of A is 60. So 3. So A can do 3 work in a day. Similarly, efficiency of B is equal to 2 work per day. So together they can do 3 plus 2, 5 work in a day. So A plus B, together they can do 5 work in a day. So totally we have 60 works, right? So we can divide 60 by 5, which is equal to 12 5s are 60. So when A and B, they are doing the work together, they can complete the work in 12 days. So got it? If A is doing the work alone, he will take 20 days. If B is doing the same work alone, he will take 30 days. So when A and B are together doing the same work, they will complete the work in 12 days. So option A is the right answer. Example 2. A and B together can do a work in 8 days, but A alone can do the work in 12 days. How many days will B take to do the same work alone? So from this question, we can understand that A and B together can do a particular work in 8 days. But A alone can do the same work in 12 days. Now we have to find how many days will B take to do the same work. So from the question we understand that A plus B, they will together do the same work in 8 days. In that, A alone can do the same work in 12 days. So we need to find the efficiency of B. So to find that, we will take LCM for 8 and 12. So totally there are 24 works. Okay. Now efficiency of A plus B will be 3 8 are 24. So 3 works. Efficiency of A, 12 2s are 24, 2 works. So A and B can do 3 works in a day. We can tell 3 works per day. Similarly, A can do 2 works per day. So now we know totally there are 3 works are there. In that, A will do 2 works. So remaining we have 1 which will be done by B. B can do 1 work per day. To complete the 24 works, B will take 24 days. So option B is the right answer. Understand? First, from the question we can understand that A plus B, that is both A and B can do the same work in 8 days. If A is doing the same work alone, he will do it for 12 days. Now we have to find the efficiency of B. So to find that, we are taking LCM 8 and 12. So we are getting the LCM 24. So totally there are 24 works. Finding the efficiency of A and B, we can tell that they can do 3 works per day. The efficiency of A can do 2 works per day. So we need to find efficiency of B. It is very simple. Why? We have got total works, that is A and B can do 3 works per day. In that, 2 alone can do 2 works. So remaining we will have 1. So B can do 1 work per day. To complete the 24 works, he will take 24 days. So option B is the right answer. Yes, option B is the right answer. So simple, right? Now we will see the next example. Example 3. A can finish a work in 18 days. B can do it in 15 days. B worked for 10 days and left the job. In how many days A alone can finish the remaining job? So A can do the work in 18 days. B can do it in 15 days. B worked for 10 days and left the job. So now we will find efficiency. So to find efficiency, we need to find LCM first. 18, 15. So totally there are 90 works. Now let us find the efficiency of A. Efficiency of A, 18 5s are 19. So 5 works per day. So A can do 5 works per day. Efficiency of B, 6 works per day. So B has worked for 10 days. So B can do 6 work per day. So he has worked for 10 days, right? So in 10 days, B must have done 6 into 10. So 60 works. So in 10 days, B must have done 60 works. Totally we have 90 works. So 90 minus 60, we will have 30 works remaining. We have identified that efficiency of A is 5 works per day. So A alone has to finish the remaining 30 works. We need to find in how many days. So to find that, we have to divide 30 by 5, which is equal to 6 days. Got it? A alone can finish the remaining work in 6 days. So option C. Yes, option C is the right answer. So simple, right? Now let us see the next example. Example 4. Example 4. 12 men can do work in 6 days. They work for 2 days. After that, 4 men join the work. Calculate the time in which remaining work will be finished. 12 men can do a work in 6 days. They worked for 2 days. After that, 4 men joined the work. We need to find the time in which the remaining work will be finished after this 4 men joining the 12 men. So according to the formula, 12 men into 6 days is equal to 12 6 72. So 72 works. After 2 days, this 12 men must have completed 24 works. So remaining there will be 48. So remaining there will be 48 works. .48 works which has to be done. Then 4 men, they are joining the work. Now totally there will be 16 men. So totally there will be 16 men to complete the remaining 48 works. So 16 men, they have to complete 48 works. We need to find the time they will take to complete the remaining work. So to find that, 48 by 16. So 3. After this 4 men, they join this 12. They will complete the remaining 48 works in 3 days. Option D. Yes, option D is the right answer. Right? Now we will solve the previous year questions related to time and work. Question 1. W can do 25% of a work in 30 days. X can do 1 by 4th of a work in 10 days. Y can do 40% of the work in 40 days. And Z can do 1 by 3rd of the work in 13 days. So we need to find who will complete the work first. So to find that, we need to find efficiency of W, X, Y and Z. So we are going to use the formula time into productivity is equal to work. So we will take W here into productivity, that is 30 days, into work done 25%. X, he will do 10 days. He will do the work in 10 days and he can do 1 by 4th of the work. 1 by 4. Y, he can do the work in 40 days is equal to 40% of the work. So 40 by 100. Z, he will take 13 days and Z can do 1 by 3rd of the work. To find the efficiency of W, X, Y and Z, W is equal to, so we will cross multiply this, 25 by 100 into 3, 1, 4 is equal to 1 by 120 works. X is equal to, we can cross multiply this, so 1 by 40 works. Y is equal to same 40 by 100 into 40, so 40 is equal to 1 by 40 works. For Z, into 13 is equal to 1 by 39 works. So from this, we can easily tell the efficiency of W, X, Y and Z. To complete the work, W will take 120 days, X will take 40 days, Y will take 100 days and Z will take 39 days. So who is more efficient? Z is more efficient when comparing W, X, Y. So we can tell Z will complete the work first. So option D, yes, option D is the right answer. So easy, right? This question was asked in 2016. Question 2. A person X can complete 20% of a work in 8 days and another person Y can complete 25% of the same work in 6 days. If they work together, in how many days will 40% of the work will be completed? Applying the same formula, X, he will take 8 days to complete 20% of the work. Y, he will take 6 days to complete 25% of the work. So let us find the efficiency of X and Y. So cross multiplying 20 by 100 into 8. So efficiency of X is equal to 1 by 40. Efficiency of Y is equal to, cross multiplying, so efficiency of Y is equal to 1 by 24. We need to find if they work together, in how many days they will complete 40% of the work. So X plus Y into T is equal to 40% of the work. So 40 by 100. Apply the value x is equal to 1 by 40 plus 1 by 24 into t is equal to 40 by 100. So let us take LCM 40 and 24. So 120. So LCM of 40 and 24 is 120. So 3 plus 5 into t is equal to 40 by 100. So adding this, 8 by 120 into t is equal to 40 by 100. So we will bring 6 here. So it will be 6. So t is equal to 6 days. So together x and y can complete 40% of the work in 6 days. So option A is the right answer. Question 3. Ram and Shyam work on a job together for 4 days and complete 60% of it. Ram takes leave then, and Shyam works for 8 more days to complete the job. How long would Ram take to complete the entire job alone? So according to the formula, Ram plus Shyam, they take 4 days to complete 60% of the work. Shyam, he took 8 more days to complete the remaining work, that is 40%, right? So together they have completed 60%. So the remaining 40% was done by Shyam. So 40 by 100. So let us identify the efficiency of Shyam. Efficiency of Shyam is equal to 40 by 100 into 8 . So efficiency of Shyam is 1 by 20. So let us apply this value to this formula, to this equation. Ram plus Shyam is equal to 1 by 20. into 4 is equal to, so taking this 4 here, so R is equal to 3 by 20. Oh, let us, yes, this will go here, and it will become 1 by 10. So efficiency of Ram is 1 by 10. So he can complete the entire job in 10 days. So option C, yes, option C is the right answer. Got it? Question 4. A man completes 7 by 8 of a job in 21 days. How many more days will it take him to finish the job quantum of work if quantum of work is further increased by 50%? So quantum is nothing but efficiency or productivity, right? So according to formula, x into 21 is equal to 7 by 8. So quantum of work is further increased by 50%. It's increased by 50%. So initially, let us take the productivity or efficiency is equal to 1. Now 50% is increasing. So we can tell this as 1 plus 0.5 is equal to 1.5. So already 7 by 8 of the job is done. Now the remaining work will be x into t is equal to 1.5 minus 7 by 8. Now let us find the value of x. X into 21 is equal to 7 by 8. So cross multiply, x is equal to 7 by 8 into 21. So x is equal to 1 by 24. So apply this value here. 1 by 24 into t is equal to 1.5 minus 7 by 8. So let us get rid of this point. So 15 by 10 minus 7 by 8. So this is equal to 3 by 2 minus 7 by 8. Taking LCM, so 8 is equal to 12 minus 7, 5 by 8. So to find t, so taking this here, t is equal to 15 days. So after increasing the quantum, that is productivity or efficiency, by 50%, this man will take 15 days to complete the job. Option D, 15. Yes, option D is the right answer. Question 5. P works thrice as fast as Q, whereas P and Q together can work 4 times as fast as R. If P, Q and R work together on a job, in what ratio should they share the earnings? So in this question, see, this question is related to wage. So in what ratio should they share the earnings? So they must have shared their earnings according to the efficiency of P, Q and R, right? So P works thrice as fast as Q. Therefore P is equal to 3Q. P and Q together can work 4 times as fast as R. So P and Q, 4R. So let us apply the value here. P is equal to 3Q is equal to, 3Q plus Q is equal to 4R. Therefore 4Q is equal to 4R. Therefore Q is equal to R. Now we have to find the ratio of their earnings. So let us take P is to Q is to R. So if you see, Q is common here, Q is common here. So let us take 3Q, Q, R, Q is equal to R. So here also we will take Q. Q, Q. So we will cut all the 3 Qs. After that, we will get 3 is to 1 is to 1. So they will share their earnings like this: 3 is to 1 is to 1. So option A, 3 is to 1 is to 1. Yes, option A, 3 is to 1 is to 1 is the right answer. So with this, we are concluding lesson 10, time and work.